Hey, so yeah, the other strategy could be using the EMAs, and this is just the 8, 13, 21, 55, which is similar to Marty's, I think, and the 200 or the 100 and the 200s underneath. And when you see uh, this sort of fanning out of the EMAs on a higher time frame, like the 4 hour, you just sit back and you ride the bounces, and providing it doesn't close under the 21 or the 55, um, you just keep going until you see a 4 hour candle close underneath it. Or you might tweak your strategy and you might say when the 8 crosses over the 21, which on the previous one, if you'd got in here, you would have probably rode it up to about 60%. So similar to what we've got now, but we might get another bounce or a squeak, which would, and you can use that with confluence with Marty's strategy to get out, or a peak in the RSI, or a slightly different way to play the EMAs. And you say, well, the 13 crosses to 21, properly down, or it crosses to 55. It's up to you, but try and stick to a strategy. And once you get the practice in it and the patience, you can combine confluence. For me, I'd probably try and combine peaking above the current one, if we can, above 1450, and also maybe the EMAs going sideways or even starting to dip down into each other would be signals to say it's weakening. Hope that helps. Let's see how well we can do. I'm not jumping out of it, but I'm certainly looking to slowly phase out of it for me personally, because I haven't got the patience to hold it long term.